It's important to be able to use the different PowerPoint views when you're developing a presentation. One of the last things I do before printing is to go through my presentation one more time in Slide Sorter and Slideshow view. Right now, the normal view command is selected. This is where you create and edit your slides. When you're ready to change views, just click this command. Slide Sorter view is where the slides are displayed horizontally. This allows you to see more slides in the window and verify that you have correct number of slides. I always do a quick check and make sure they are all here to assure I haven't deleted any slides by mistake. You may not be able to see all the text from each slide, but you can use the zoom tool to zoom in and out. Slide Sorter view is a good view to make sure everything flows the way you want. Let's see. I think I want this team slide to appear before exercise. So I can just drag it here. Slide Sorter is great for moving slides around. You also have a slide show view which launches the slide that is selected and fills the computer screen. This is the view of the presentation that audience will see. Let's see. To move through the slides, you have several options. You can use the arrows on your keyboard or the page up and down key to move forward and backwards. You can even press the space bar or enter key to move forward. Also, if you move your cursor to the bottom left part of your screen, you will see a small menu appear. You can click these arrows to move forward, and also if you click on these lines, you can access a menu. From menu, you can move to the next or previous slide, jump to a specific slide, or change your screen options, or end the show. If you right-click anywhere in the presentation, a similar menu will appear that provide many of the same options. If you ever want to end the show, you can choose it from this menu or just press the escape key on your keyboard. An interesting option is the pen command. Here, if you click it, a menu appears that allows you to change your cursor to a PowerPoint pen, a fill to pen, or a highlighter. You can even choose the color. Let's see. I will choose highlighter. You may be wondering how you can use this. Let's say you're talking to a large group and you want to draw their attention to the third bullet on slide 8. You didn't format it differently when you created the slide, but you can draw attention to it now. I can just click and drag my highlighter across the text. Sorry, here. If you're working with a complex line graph or chart, these tools might be helpful to draw attention to a specific part. You can even use one of the pens to circle a specific information. Like this. When you reach the end of the presentation, you'll have to choose whether you want to keep or discard annotations or notes you made. I'll just discard it. In addition to these three views, which you can access from the bottom of the PowerPoint window, there's a fourth view called Notes Page View that you don't see as a command. To access all 4 views, select the View tab, and you'll see the 4-view command on the left side of the presentations group here. So the slide sorter, normal, and slide show view work just the same from here. Let's click the Notes page view to see what that looks like. As you can see, the slide is on top of the page with a placeholder area for the text below it. This is so you can type notes that help you when you present. These are often called speaker notes. I'll just type in here, good afternoon. Now these are formatted so you can print them and have the slides and the notes together on the same page. We have 2 options here. You can enter your notes here in the Notes page view or in the Notes section of a normal view here. What you enter here will appear in the Notes page view as well. Why don't you give it a try?